Hello, in front of me I've got iPhone 17. In this video I'll show you how to remove duplicate photos. To remove duplicate photos, enter Photo app. Tap Albums and scroll down to Utilities section. Go to Duplicates and here you can find duplicated photos. Remove them to safe storage. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.